Today's show is all about Southern traditions. And one of the most wonderful traditions that we have here in the South is rocking in a comfortable chair on the front porch. But I can't do that all day because I've got to get into the kitchen because I want to show y'all my recipe for making the spicy black-eyed pea. So I hope you'll stay tuned because today is all about Southern roots and Southern traditions. Oh, and we like our dogs too. I got black-eyed peas to cook.
Okay,
Come
well,
on
go
down
ahead.
here and help
Okay,
me.
that sounds
I'm
great.
going to be making a spicy black-eyed pea today. Now, I have taken 4 slices of bacon, chopped them up, browned them off, because I'm really going to just garnish our black-eyed peas with this bacon. And I'm going to add 1 diced onion. You know, we have to have onion in everything, don't we?
Absolutely.
So I'm just going to let those saute a couple of minutes, Chef, until they're kind of transparent.
Okay.
Now I've got 1 pound of dried black-eyed peas. I'm going to just throw them in the pot just as they are. But
Okay.
if you're short on time, use the quick cooking method. Soak them overnight in water, drain them, and just go about your recipe just like you would. All right, Clayton, I'm just going to throw those dried black-eyed peas over in there. Just going to kind of toss them around in that grease. And now I'm going to add 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies.
Oh my gosh! Now that is what makes it. That and the chili is gonna make it spicy.
And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of chili powder.
Okay.
So now we're going to add our liquid. I'm going to put about 3 cups of water. And let's add a little pepper.
That looks good
just
already.
to give it a little bit more spice. And then I'm going to add some salt. There we go. Now I'm just going to cover this and let those simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour. And I'm going to keep checking this pot because there again, they're dried and they're going to be doing a lot of drinking down there in that pot. I hope that you've had a good time with Chef Clayton and me today because we've certainly had a ball talking about our Southern roots and our traditions and cooking up all these dishes. But you know what?
What?
We never tasted those black-eyed peas.
No, we didn't.
You know, and that's, as far as I'm concerned, that's a sin.
Oh, that's
They're
good.
so good.
I'm back at home in Birmingham. This is so good. Excellent.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.